From car crashes, motorcycle incidents to industrial disaster, we break down what went wrong and how it could have been avoided. Welcome to my channel Who's at Fault? Where we analyze real-life accidents and reveal the critical mistakes behind them. Stay tuned for in-depth analysis, safety tips, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's get started. Number 1. Look, the consequences of overtaking from the wrong side. Because of this act, 3 vehicles got critical damage. The cause was wrong side overtaking and overspeed. Let's look in slow motion.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as.
Number 2. Look how one car got out of control and caused this incident. The cause is out of control and overspeed. Let's look in slow motion.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease.
Number 3. This is what happened when you try to run away from cops. Cause was running away from cops.
Don't wanna test your luck with me.
Let's look in slow motion.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Number 4. Look what overspeeding can do to you. The cause was overspeeding.
They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get.
Let's look in slow motion.
Guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid.
Number 5. Look how this truck driver using phone caused this incident. He didn't even think that visibility is low and using phone can harm him. The cause was phone use while driving in low visibility. Let's look in slow motion.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Number 6. Look how this car got out of control. Cause of accident is lack of judgment and overspeed. Let's look in slow motion.
I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't give back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your
Thanks for watching Who's at Fault, where we break down real-life accidents to understand what went wrong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it to help others stay safe on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more accident breakdowns and safety tips every week. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.